This is my first time per se using the bike for its intended purpose, which was a fold-up bike just to go and get some veggies and a bit of fruit, which I have in the basket there. It takes a little bit of getting used to with the assistant, the motor kicking in. You've got to be very careful. You can actually have a bad accident if you're not used to it. What I found, especially when there's oncoming traffic and you're turning in front of traffic, is to turn off the power assist altogether and just use manual. That way you won't lurch forwards and then kick in your power assist once you're going. So I was about 5 kilometres getting here. It went really well, did about 23 kilometres an hour all the way. If I got one complaint, it should have another gear. As far as I'm concerned, it just doesn't seem, you seem to be free pedaling a lot. Another gear would be probably perfect, but it is what it is. 120 bucks from 99 bikes. You probably can't get much better than that for a fold-up for the price. I got the tyres changed, and that's all I've had done. Front and back tyre I changed to a bit wider tyre. They were a bit skinny for my liking. And keep in mind, this is not used for off-road, not meant for off-road at all. So what it does on-road and a little bit off-road, you know, like you can go off for a few minutes, it does it quite well. No shockies, so it's a little bit bumpy, but overall quite solid construction for a fold-up, and yeah, I'm quite impressed.